DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is the most advanced drone technology currently available, and it's ready to transform industries all over the globe. In addition to providing capabilities for surveillance, disaster response, and infrastructure inspection that have never been seen before, it has an unrivaled level of agility and accuracy. Equipped with sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms, it smoothly navigates complicated settings, hence simplifying processes and lowering the danger of human error. In addition to its high-resolution imaging capabilities, which give important data for decision-making, its compact design and prolonged flight duration optimize efficiency. Its capacity to revolutionize several sectors is indisputable, and it portends a future in which technology will assist mankind in a manner that has never been seen before. Microsoft HoloLens 2. The Microsoft HoloLens 2 is at the forefront of mixed reality innovation and is set to disrupt a wide range of industries as well as everyday encounters. By virtue of its exceptional holographic display, accurate hand tracking, and immersive spatial sound, it provides a seamless merger of the digital and physical worlds. Among its many uses are the enhancement of remote collaboration and training simulations, as well as the transformation of the design and healthcare sectors. The revolutionary technology has the potential to revolutionize how we connect, create, and learn, paving the way for a future in which the virtual and the real are seamlessly blended together. Hyperloop trains. As they travel via vacuum tubes, Hyperloop trains are set to revolutionize the way that people travel across the world. They're capable of speeds reaching 700 miles per hour, which promises to reduce travel times and make it possible to reach far-off places in a matter of minutes. By using magnetic levitation and renewable energy sources, Hyperloop promises that transportation will be both environmentally friendly and very fast. By implementing this idea, congestion will be alleviated, carbon emissions will be reduced, and business and tourism will undergo a revolution. Overall, the Hyperloop is a significant step forward in the direction of a future that's more connected, efficient, and ecologically conscientious. Neuralink. Neuralink, the brain-machine interface enterprise that Elon Musk's working on, has the potential to completely transform the human experience from ground up. Neuralink's goal is to achieve unparalleled levels of cognitive improvement, medical treatment, and human-machine symbiosis via the use of its brain electronic communication technology that operates at ultra-high bandwidth. In addition to providing movement for those who are paralyzed and permitting direct connection with computers, this groundbreaking technology opens the door to a future in which the capacity of the mind is unbounded. Fusion power. Fusion energy, which is considered to be the holy grail of energy, has the ability to completely transform our planet. In contrast to fossil fuels, fusion utilizes the same mechanism that drives the sun, which enables it to provide infinite, clean energy that does not produce any harmful pollutants or waste of any kind. Also, the fusion has the potential to eliminate our dependency on limited resources, reduce the effects of climate change, and power a sustainable future in which infinite energy is accessible. CyberDog 2. A wonder of robotics, CyberDog 2 has the potential to reimagine the way humans interact with robots and to influence the development of automation in the future. CyberDog 2 goes beyond the capabilities of conventional robots by providing companionship, support, and innovation. Its superior artificial intelligence, agile movement, and diverse manipulation skills are all examples of this. The flexibility and intelligence of this technology herald a future in which people and robots work together seamlessly, therefore transforming industries and improving day-to-day living. This world will include everything from home duties to industrial jobs. Samsung Galaxy Ring. Because of its cutting-edge functionality and futuristic ring style, the Samsung Galaxy Ring is going to completely change the landscape of smartphones. It boasts a sophisticated camera system, a bezel-less display, and lightning-fast processing power, all of which promise to provide an unrivaled user experience and productivity. Featuring characteristics like seamless multitasking, 5G connection, and artificial intelligence integration, the Galaxy Ring will revolutionize the ways in which people communicate, work, and engage with technology. Ambidex Robot. With its unequaled ambidexterity, the Ambidex robot is transforming a variety of different sectors, which constitutes a quantum leap in the field of robotics. It does this by facilitating the smooth navigation of jobs that require dexterity, such as manufacturing and surgery, which in turn simplifies processes and increases efficiency. Because of its dual-arm design, it's able to imitate human movement, which provides fine control and adaptability. Overall, Ambidex promises to usher in a new age of innovation and productivity by bringing about safer workplaces, quicker production, and groundbreaking innovations. Panther Tank. An unprecedented level of firepower and survivability is promised by the Panther Tank, which marks a paradigm breakthrough in the field of military technology. With its cutting-edge armor, cutting-edge targeting systems, and autonomous capabilities, it assures supremacy on the battlefield while also decreasing the danger that human operators face. Furthermore, modern warfare will be revolutionized as a result of its adaptability and speed, which will give greater strategic capabilities and protect lives in combat zones. My Eye Pro. The forward-thinking wearable technology known as My Eye Pro has the potential to completely revolutionize the lives of those who are blind or visually impaired. The use of sophisticated artificial intelligence and camera technology make it possible to do tasks such as text-to-speech conversion, face recognition, and object detection in real time. By providing users with more freedom, access to information, and social inclusion, My Eye Pro revolutionizes the way visually impaired people navigate and interact with the environment. Also, its small design and user-friendly interface make it possible for users to have greater control over their everyday lives. Flying Whales Airship. The Flying Whales Airship represents a paradigm leap in the delivery of freight, delivering capabilities that are unmatched in terms of efficiency, sustainability, and accessibility. This revolutionary technology revolutionizes logistics for a wide range of sectors, including mining and humanitarian relief, because of its enormous payload capacity and its ability to penetrate isolated locations that lack infrastructure. The airship, which is powered by renewable energy and has minimal running costs, has the potential to decrease carbon emissions and reconfigure global supply lines in order to create a more sustainable future. Ectolife. Ectolife is a significant step forward in the field of medical research, and it has the potential to cause a revolution in healthcare and to increase the average longevity of humans. It promises to restore damaged tissues and organs via the use of modern regenerative medicine procedures, offering the possibility of efficiently healing illnesses and injuries that were previously known to be untreatable. Ectolife, with its capacity to improve human lifespan and quality of life, lays the way for a future in which age-related diseases are a thing of the past, therefore altering the landscape of healthcare all over the globe. AI SenseTime WAICF. AI SenseTime WAICF is set to revolutionize the field of artificial intelligence promising to bring about significant improvements in the areas of perception, cognition, and decision-making. The cutting-edge algorithms and deep learning skills that it has made it possible to do real-time analysis on enormous volumes of data, which has the potential to revolutionize several sectors, including healthcare, banking, and transportation. In addition to fostering innovation, its capacity to extract useful insights and improve processes will also play a significant role in shaping the future of technology on a global scale. Brain-computer interfaces. BCIs, which stand for Brain-Computer Interfaces, usher in a new age of human-machine connection and have the potential to change a variety of fields, including healthcare, communication, and more. By directly attaching the brain to computers, Brain-Computer Interfaces, BCIs, make it possible for persons with impairments to operate equipment and prostheses with their thoughts, therefore providing them with a greater sense of autonomy. As a result of its potential applications in fields including education, gaming, and neurofeedback treatment, brain-computer interfaces have the ability to improve human capacities and transform how society interacts with technology. Bioprinting. With the advent of bioprinting, a new age in medicine has begun, one that's set to reimagine healthcare as we know it. The exact stacking of biological components to construct live tissues and organs is made possible by this cutting-edge technology, which offers an infinite number of possibilities for organ transplantation and regenerative medicine. Bioprinting promises to minimize the likelihood of rejection, shorten the amount of time it takes for patients to recover, and eventually lead to longer and healthier lives. This is because it can be customized to meet the specific requirements of each individual patient. In light of the fact that predictions estimate the worldwide bioprinting industry to reach $1.8 billion by the year 2027, it's clear that its development is exponential. Bioprinting, which acts as a bridge between science fiction and reality, reflects the promise of a future in which medical miracles are not just theoretical possibilities, but rather actual, attainable realities. And that wraps things up. We appreciate you watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.